What's up, YouTube? This is T&TBBQ with a Southern explosive taste. Today I have some pork loins. I mean, guys, these pork loins look gorgeous. They're about 10 to 12 pounds a piece. We're going to keep the seasoning simple, guys. So here I got one of those jars that I love to season with. It has one hole. And I can actually spread this out. So what I'm going to add to this is some black pepper, okay? All right, in equal parts to the black pepper, I'm gonna add salt, okay? All right, so salt, equal part to the black pepper, all right? All right, and then I'm gonna add granulated granulated garlic, oh sorry. Equal parts, granulated garlic, and then to that, paprika. Oh man, I'm making a mess over here. So this is equal parts to everything. I put the cap on this, I'm gonna shake it up. And I'm gonna bring in while I season these beautiful loins. And I'm gonna just tell you what, you try the recipe on your pellet cooker, and today we'll be using that blend we made, the competition blend with the charcoal pellets. I really like that flavor from the brisket. But this right here, brother, is an S.P.G. that you will wanna have on these loins. It really brings the loins out, guys, so we'll bring you in closer. And I don't remove the fat cap. I don't. This is a large piece of meat. I just go on pretty heavy. Cause like I say, I want this to shine. And this is just how you do it, guys. You continually make sure you get the loin on every side. And what the salt and pepper does, I think it lets the smoke shine. Especially if you're using a pellet cooker. There's nothing to overpower nothing on this rug. Everything is equal. And the smoke will be equal too. I think these loins are ready to go on a Pit Boss smoker, okay? So that's what we'll be using, the Pit Boss 7 series. I'm gonna get them all ready to go. That's how you want to put them on the Pit Boss, okay? So I got my Pit Boss up to temp. Like I said, guys, I'm running this blend of pellets, and I'm gonna have my lovely wife. Why don't you come and bring me the loins, sweetheart? So my wife bringing me the loins. What you think about these loins, baby? They're heavy. Heavy, okay, thank you. Okay, so that's one loin.
You got water in the bottle?
Yes, I do got water in the bottle. Yes, I do, baby. So we need water, don't we, honey? Yeah. Yeah, I got 2 loins on there, honey. Squish them together, okay? So, what we're going to do is we're going to close this up. And if you like good Pit Boss videos, iCard up above. Go over there and check out my boy. Weekend Barbecue, Weekend Warrior Barbecue, Weekend Warrior Barbecue. iCard to be up above. Go over there, check his video out. He's doing a smoked pork loin with just a salt and pepper, I believe. I had to look S.P.G., but go check him out. He has a Pit Boss 3 series. This guy has a wealth of knowledge. It's been an hour. I think I need to go ahead and spray this down with my favorite spray, my butter spray. So I want to come in, look at this smoke. Look at the smoke on this Pit Boss. I tell you what, that's a good flavor, man. This thing is smoking like a champ. So I'm gonna go in, and like I said, the water is good in here. So I'm just gonna go in with this right here. So like I say, 200 degrees. We just did an hour. We sprayed it. I think it's gonna be 5 hours. We're taking it off at 145 degrees, guys. And then we're gonna wrap it in full, and then we'll slice it. It's been 4 long hours. We're gonna check the temperature on this. Let's come in so we can see the color on these loins, okay? The Pit Boss been running right at 200 degrees, guys. Can y'all see the color on the loin? What amazing color, man. I tell you what. So let's go check the temperature, son. So that's at about 107. Let me see what the other one is. Gotta check both of them. That one there's 117. So, guys, all right, let's go back. So I want to talk to him a little bit. So, you're saying 4 hours for a loin. Well, this is not a stick burner, and people used to my loin being extra smoky and juicy. And the way I found out how to do that, guys, is cooking low, the 200 degrees on a pellet grill. Basically, let the smoke penetrate the meat, and the lower it comes up to 145 degrees, the better. So if it takes it 5 hours to come up to 145 degrees, the better smoke flavor you get, and the better, juicier, moisture loin you get. Because you don't want to shock that meat, okay? I'm dropping a lot of knowledge, so I hope everybody's looking at this video so they can follow these steps, guys, okay? So this pitch tag Pit Boss Nation is doing good. It's smoking, it's delivering the smoke, it's staying right at 200 degrees, it's recovering now, it's at 170 degrees, it's getting back up 200 degrees, and we're just gonna let it ride until it reaches 145 degrees internal temperature. All right, guys. So we'll be back when it's done, and we'll slice some of it up, and we'll go from there. It may be later tonight when we do that. Peace. All right, guys. This pork loin has reached the internal temperature of 145 degrees. We had it resting for probably 10 minutes. So I just want to go in, guys, and just get a good slice. This is for a potluck tomorrow. I actually cooked too much, but that's okay. So I want to go in for a good slice. Just look at that, man. Oh my goodness. Can you pick up that? I hope y'all can pick up the juiciness. I mean, this is amazing loin. I mean, oh, guys, I'm telling you what, man. It don't get no. I'm sorry, man, but they don't get no juicier than that. Do you not see that? I hope you can pick up what I'm laying down. You don't get no more juicier than that. There's no ejection, there's nothing. That is outstanding loin. Look at that. That is amazing. You've seen it with your own eyes. I'm gonna bring y'all for a taste test. And I want to just give a taste because I want to make sure when I'm giving this a buddy for the retirement party is delicious loin. So I'm finna take a bite of this right now. Home run, baby. This is incredible. This is cheap, feed a lot of people, and you will surprise a lot of people because this is amazing meat. And look at it. You not see that dripping? It is dripping all over the place. So I'm gonna make me a sandwich. And this is T&TBBQ. What a Southern's supposed to taste. God bless you and God bless America. We out of here. Peace.